If you want to be a serious hardcore operator, mechanics gloves, fake ones, $5.49. Mahalo everybody, Big Daddy here, Big Dick Ballistics coming at you today with America's #1 gun accessory superstore, Harbor Freight. If you are new to shooting, right? I am the Bushmaster today. If you're new to shooting, ammo boxes, storage, cool, dry, right? Protected, organized, right? These are $5.99. Good to go. Operate. If you want to upgrade to being fucking tactical ammo box, all right? Holds 6 to 8 boxes of standard ammo. I don't know what standard is because I have a big old dick, but this thing's pretty nice. Right, it's got a tray on the top to put little tchotchkes in. You could even put cleaning stuff in. Another tray that lifts out. That's good to go. All right, so that is $11.99. This is great if you're breaking down a bolt or like doing any kind of stuff where you have little tiny parts. Right here, 4-inch magnetic parts holder, $2.99. Rather than using like an egg carton from back in the day, which I used to do. I learned that in my Sig Sauer Armorers course. I would just use one of those things. They used to give them out for free here too. So that's pretty cool. My beard is a little fucked up. 3-piece detail brush set. So these are awesome for gun cleaning, steel, brass, and nylon. $2.29, right? But if you buy them individually, they are 99 cents a piece right there, okay? If you're building up a gun cleaning kit, these are invaluable. I definitely recommend the plastic ones. They don't mar up stuff. They don't leave any residue behind, like the brass stuff. So that's cool. Anything else on this aisle that I could think of? Not really. Oh, tube brush set. $6.99, a little pricey, but these could be good for chambers and stuff like that. Raceways, whatever. Are you on the rig? Because apparently Harbor Freight is. So shop rigs, shop towels, right? If you're making a cleaning kit, you could buy a pack of these and split it amongst like 2, 3, even 4 friends, right? $12.99, all right? Good for like wiping down shit. You can even wash them if you're that fucking cheap, but I wouldn't because you're gonna destroy your fucking washing machine. Picks, right? Invaluable. $1.99, all right? You could use this taking apart bolts, scraping them, feed ramps, anything. Raceways, whatever. $1.99. If you want the professional, $19.99. I don't see why to pay $19.99 for something like this, where you could give these things out as like stocking stuffers. They're so cheap, but they're awesome. Like cleaning is so invaluable. Firearms, life-saving equipment, and an investment. So why not just do the fucking work and do it right, and just get your shit for cheap, and it's always gonna be there. American flags, while Steve Perry is playing in the background. Oh, Sherry. Let's see. So they have them ranging from $3.99 to $9.99 to 20 bones. The $20 one is made in America, so I would go with the $20 one. Another cool find, gun shit at Harbor Freight. Ammo cans, steel, all right, fake 50 cal cans, $16.99. $16.99 right there, all right? Brand new, so you don't need to worry about gaskets being rotted out and shit like that. Rocking. Oh, what do we have here? Instead of stopping, I'll just keep it rolling. Gloves. Glove up to love up. Anyway, $11.99. If you got a box of these, it would last you the rest of your career if you went like once in a while to the range. And it's also important, like you don't want hand cancer or any shit like that. Lead, carbon fouling, fucking copper, any other heavy metals, grease, dirt, grime, whatever. So glove up to love up. Spotting scope, 60 bones. I don't know. I mean, it's probably all the same Chinese shit, but 20 to 60 by 60 with a little bullshit tripod. If you didn't want to buy any crap off Amazon, you know, Athlon and Vortex, they make some cheaper shit too, but it's here, so fuck it. Let's see what else. Dental picks, right here, 6 for $4.99. So if you want like a little bit of a step up in your picks, you could go there instead of those like $1.97 ones. Here's good stuff for the range bag, guys. All right, what do we got here? earplugs. So we got foamies, 50 pack, $4.99. That's pretty cheap if you're ever in a pinch. All right, silicone ones, and they have a 26 decibel rating. That's pretty fucking good right there. $7.49. All right, corded ones, silicone ones, $3.29. I can't tell you how many of these I go through all the time at work. I double up because my hearing is already shot. They have Ear Pro. It says industrial, but it's only a 17 decibel rating, so that's not good. If you partnered these up with a set of plugs, if you're a cheap motherfucker, you're good. Ranger foldable earmuffs, you have a 26 rating right there. Now ideally we're looking for 27, but again, these look a little bit better. All right, these cheap ass ones, $3.99. Okay, the Ranger ones, the folding ones with the 26 decibel rating, $6.99. All right, so if you're just getting started, or you're taking your family to the range, or you have like a friend who's a cheap asshole and you're getting them into shooting, this is the way to go right here. Obviously, the more money you spend, the better quality you get. But if you're getting stuff off Amazon or eBay or Temu or Wish or whatever, it's probably no different than this. The 3Ms that I get sometimes as disposable ones, it's the same shit. It's literally the same shit. And they're probably charging $18.99 or even like more. Okay, so they're right here at Harbor Freight, $6.99. So it's good to have an extra set in your big. All right, guys, so very important. A lot of people I know take this stuff for granted. iPro, $1.99. And guess what? On the bayonet on the side, you could see it. What's it say? Those magic numbers, Z87. All right, so they're ballistic rated for $1.99. All right, and they come in multiple shades. So let's see if the yellow Tintas, the yellow version, is Z87. Can I see it through here? Z87. All right, and if you want to go full retard, these aren't polarized, but they're smoke colored. Can I read it on here? Z87. You can't beat that. All right, so if you want to look tactical for $2, good to go. Anything else over here? No. Let's move on. If you want to show up to the range in style and be tactical, guess what we have? All the colors of the tactical rainbow right here. All right, we have black, FDE, coyote, whatever, foliage green, and blaze orange for all my hunter folk out there. So Apache, right? Why did they name these Apache? Because they're built as tough as Apache helicopters. All right, pick and pluck foam, $169.99. I bought one. I have like a bunch of Pelican 650s, probably like a half a dozen of them. Actually, correction, a bunch of Pelican 1750s, and they are well over $200. These are $170. All right, and you get them on sale, pick and pluck foam, so no need to cut or whatever. So they're right there. They have them in different sizes too. So this, you have you probably put like some nods, right, and some accessories in here. Bigger box if you're a camera guy or whatever, or you throw a spotting scope in there, whatever. Good to go. Operate. Guys, gun safes, they have them here. All right, and they're not overly expensive either. This $17.99. Okay, with the tether, lockable. Okay, meets TSA specs. Whenever I fly and I have to lodge a firearm, I have the same clamshell, and it's awesome. Except I got mine off Amazon and I paid like $2 more. These things are tough as nails. Okay, you should have them tethered in your trunk to like some big hunky piece of metal. All right, and now for my new CCW holders, right, I teach those classes on the side. Everywhere in New York State's good except Nassau County. So get these are good. These are good for also around the house. All right, tether it to your bed frame, your bed rail, whatever. It'll give you enough slack. Okay, and rapid access, that's on you. If you want to train to that standard, go for it. Small 12-inch toolbox. 12 inches, like what's between my legs right now and what your mom sees all the time after she makes me a sandwich. $6.99, guys. All right, you buy once, cry once. Throw all this shit in here. A little bit, pair of gloves, some scrapers, right? Fucking a rag or two. And then all you have to buy is some hops, all right? A cheap ass brush, a bore snake, right? And some solvent, some oil, whatever. It's there, it's done. Every time you go to the range, every time you're done with the range, whatever, you have it. All right, you don't have to rely on other people to give you shit. You keep your life-saving equipment good. It's good to go. Operate. 2032s for my aim point boys, for my T2 squad, right? And everything else in between. $3.49. Just keep them in the range bag. I would rather go with like Energizer, Duracell, but whatever. Good to go. Operate. Real gun safes. All right. We have a 10 gun cabinet, $199. It's comparable to like a stack on, not fire resistant, whatever, but it works. It's got a little shelf in there. What do we got next? Big Mama. All right, this is the Big Daddy, right? 24 gun fire resistant electronic lock. All right. How much is this bad boy? $5.99. I'm sure you get some fucking sick, twisted, fucked up discount code and get everything for cheaper. And then 10 gun electronic safe. I actually have this one. Somebody gave it to me secondhand, and it fucking rocks. It's got an individual lockbox on the inside. It's totally cool. And how much is that? $3.99. So I was just not politely asked to stop filming and leave. And I said, oh, you know, I have this YouTube channel and you should follow it. And yeah, the female manager didn't like it when I told her it was Big Dick Ballistics. But anyway, I will not be going back to the Deer Park Harbor Freight anytime soon. But regardless, listen, if you're new to the game, right, if you're on a budget like everybody is, especially everything in the gun world is massively expensive now, come to Harbor Freight. Get a cheap toolbox, get some picks, get some rigs, get some gloves, get some brushes, set up your toolkit, right? Set up your gun cleaning kit, okay? That way, when you're done shooting, everything's self-contained, one spot, good to go. All right, if something breaks over time or wears out, replace it for 97 cents. Replace it for $2. All right, the gloves and rigs will last you forever. Go get a bottle of solvent. All right, keep it in a Ziploc bag so it doesn't spill all over the place. Same thing, bottle of oil, Ziploc bag so it doesn't spill all over the place. Get a rod, get a brush for the specific gun. It'll last forever. Go get a bore snake. It'll last forever. All right, then you're set. You don't have to worry about anything. Safes. Safeguard your shit, all right? Keep it out of bad guys' hands. Keep it out of your loved ones' hands that aren't educated, all right? Be responsible at the end of the day. That's what it comes down to. Keeping your life-saving equipment manageable, right? Storage, all right? Ammo storage. You got the cans. They got everything, all right? You want to be tactical, right? They got the cool cases. They got gloves. You can fuck around with them and not worry about it like breaking your budget. Again, at the end of the day, there are options out there, and you don't have to spend money to be part of the in crowd. I don't care what anybody says. I use all this stuff, all right? If you need to do maintenance, all right? Little flathead screwdrivers that are cheap. I don't need to buy stuff from Brownells that's like, you know, ridiculously overpriced. And they make good stuff, but again, it's all outsourced to China anyway. So what's it matter if you get it from Harbor Freight, where I just got kicked out of, all right? Or Brownells, okay? So everybody, thanks for watching. Again, like, share, comment, subscribe. I'm the Bushmaster today. Your mom's Bushmaster. No, I'm just kidding. That's not my shirt. It's a Zero Foxtrot shirt. But educate yourselves, your family. All right, check out my merch, BigDickBallistics.com. If you're a Salty City cop like me, you know the job's dead. And make sure you train and be safe.